Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode. So in this video I will be installing the front lip on my BMW F80 M3. So we have the lip here, brand new lip. Well, you know what, this is my second lip because my first one, as you can see, it's over there. Let me see if I can go closer. So I put my first lip like 2 weeks ago, but then some shit went down and yeah, as you can see, it's all cracked. So now I will be installing my second lip, and this time I have to make sure I'm really careful, even though I'm on stock suspension, but still I gotta be careful. But yeah, I'll be installing a new lip today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe, and let's get to it.